External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, in an apparent dig at Pakistan, said the impacts of cross-border terrorism cannot be limited within a region, especially when they are deeply linked to the drugs and illegal weapons trade as well as other forms of international crime. His comments occurred during a press conference with his Australian counterpart, Alexander Schallenberg. Jaishankar said they had an open and productive discussion on a range of regional and global situations, and by and large, the approaches of both the nations are similar, though obviously we are located in different regions and we have our particular compulsions, according to media reports. He stated that they had a lengthy discussion about the risks to international peace and security presented by terrorism, particularly its cross-border tactics, violent extremism, radicalization and fundamentalism as per the report. The impacts of terrorism, Jaishankar warned, cannot be limited inside a territory, especially so when they are deeply connected to narcotics and illegal weapons trade and other forms of international crimes, the report said. While commenting on the current India-China relations, Jaishankar said that India will not agree to any attempt to change the line of actual control unilaterally by China. He also admitted that New Delhi's relations with Beijing are not normal, but asserted that there would be no compromise on core issues between the nations. Because the epicenter of terrorism is so close to India, our experiences and insights are naturally valuable to others, the minister added, without mentioning any countries.